pack of these really comfortable running ankle socks from CS Seller Sport a few weeks ago, and they are doing amazing. Let me show you how they look in a couple of different pairs of shoes, and I'll give you a close-up of the actual features of the socks. Here they are. I love this tab on the back. Really easy to pull them up and make sure they're up and out of the shoe when you put them on, and then they honestly stay up. They don't fall down. I love this bit right here. It just gives you a little bit extra squeeze right around the arch. They are not no-show in a sneaker, but they are low profile, so they don't show much, just barely. Really comfy. This area right here, this is almost a mesh, really thin here, so very breathable here and here. And then this is like that extra kind of squeeze. And then on the bottom is nice and thick. The heel, the toe, it's all like a little bit of extra cushiony niceness to protect you from blistering or whatever, but here is just especially breathable. I love that. So here is my All Swift no tie slip-on sneaker. You can just barely see it on the ankle. And then this one is like really high shoe on the back, so you don't even see that tab really. It's really nice. Here we have my Dr. Scholl's sneaker, and that's how that one shows. This one shows a little bit more. If I'm gonna be walking like miles, traveling and stuff, I'll wear these socks. But if I'm just gonna be like in these, not really walking too much, I'll wear my no-show socks that don't show at all. But yeah, walking a lot, I want this extra protection that I don't have to worry about a sock going down inside the shoe. These are so comfy just as socks, wearing around the house, with sneakers, with slippers, you name it. I love these socks so much, and I know you will too.